Point number two is identify the cause of the failure. So usually when something doesn't turn out the way I want, I usually investigate and I try to understand, okay, what could I have done better? So what are the causes of this result? And so I start to dig and I start to analyze, okay, maybe I should have, maybe it happened because I did this instead of doing that. So if I take the example that I had in my like the past few weeks, so it was about monitoring a budget. And the thing is, I was asking myself, okay, did I do everything that was necessary to make sure that we don't overspend on this situation? And so I tried to go back in the past, and that's actually how I discovered that we did a good job, because when I went back in my mind and I was investigating, I was asking myself, what did I do wrong? Why do we have this result? And so that's how I discovered that actually, no, we did a good job. But because I did that exercise, it turned out well for me, but that wasn't the goal. The goal was to understand where I missed the point. And so when I went back and I thought about the situation, for me to identify where the cause of the problem was, it would help me to not repeat the same mistake. And so that's why it's really important. And also it's really important to understand what is the cause, because if you stay in the suspense, if you stay in the unknown, you don't know what happened, it's gonna haunt you. So it's better to investigate and discover and make peace with that, even if it hurts, but at least you have done the work of understanding what is happening. It's better to feel pain about something we know why that thing happened, instead of feeling the pain for something that you're still asking yourself, okay, what went wrong in this situation. So dig, it's gonna help you to feel better. Usually the unknown, it's not good for us, so it's better to go and look for what happened and understand what caused the problem. And so that should help you feel better, even if you feel bad at first, because you're gonna beat yourself up, oh, how could I let this happen? But after that, at least you're gonna think, okay, you know what, I know this is what caused the problem, so after that, at least I know I shouldn't do this anymore.